Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare spades versus shovels. We'll explore the distinct features of each tool, helping you understand their primary applications. You'll learn which tool excels at specific gardening and digging tasks, ensuring you choose the most effective implement for your next project. This comparison will empower you to work more efficiently and achieve better results in your outdoor endeavors. The spade is your go-to for precision. It typically features a flat, sharp blade, often rectangular or square, designed for cutting through soil with ease. Think of it for creating clean edges, transplanting plants, or digging narrow trenches. A common spade blade measures about 7 to 8 inches wide and 12 inches long, making it perfect for detailed work and breaking compacted earth. In contrast, the shovel is built for moving material. It usually has a curved, scooped blade with pointed or rounded tips, making it ideal for scooping, lifting, and moving loose materials like dirt, gravel, or sand. Whether you're filling a wheelbarrow or spreading mulch, the shovel's design maximizes capacity. Many shovels can hold up to 1 cubic foot of material per scoop, significantly speeding up large-scale tasks. Choosing between a spade and a shovel boils down to your task. For precise work like creating clean edges or digging trenches, the spade is superior. When moving large quantities of loose material or breaking up soft soil, the shovel is your best friend. Consider the specific job and soil type to make the best choice, ensuring efficiency and ease in all your digging and gardening projects.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.